Jason, you
What,
should
if
watch my
I-
screen share.
Oh yeah, give me a minute. I'm checking this guy out.
Oh, I got it. I failed it.
Did you hit a clip?
I almost did. I just did. Let's go!
This David's fucking stupid, man. I'm gonna be complete this.
I said stop it. Stop being
Stop
bad.
losing so much.
Stop being bad. Just win already. The luckiest human alive.
No, that would be Gruntilda the Third.
Who you talking? Who you?
I have no idea what I just said.
Who are you talking about?
Gruntilda the Third, you don't know about her.
Fucking Attila the Hun, bro.
Oh!
Cares about. Actually, no. What I was gonna say could be.
Ooh. Profit off me. Profit off me then.
You can't.
Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah. Shirkon, what are you gonna do about it, huh?
Yeah.
I'm literally driving to your house right now.
Oh no!
Here,
You're
be
gonna
right there.
eat some
No, be right there, be
grass.
right
Oh
there.
no! Oh, he's coming over. He's about to pull up. Pull up, then. Pull up.
I have my 9 off, but I'll see you tomorrow, really.
Thought someone else just joined, but I didn't.
Alright.
Break the news to you, Pinecone. Of that. same
Pinecone, I've seen the
not
pictures you
true.
used for that math class. I can in fact confirm.
What class?
Your math class, it was like parallel lines.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Or do you mean to tell me that wasn't a math class?
Oh, it wasn't that. It was
Okay.
geometry stuff.
Oh, Cameron, have you seen my shirt that I bought?
Is it the state with wrong name?
No,
His
the Europe.
shirt?
The what? The Euro?
The Europe shirt.
Gross.
I'll wear it tomorrow.
Why would you get a shirt
His
of Euro?
shirt is
Oh no, trust me. Trust me.
It's the
Go
I
with
gave
that.
my sister's head in with a big
I
rock.
would've laughed if I did.
Or, okay, should I wear that shirt or should I wear my stapler?
I really don't know what I did. I broke the
Pick
game and it is
something better.
not too happy
Europe
about
or
it.
staplers? Europe or staplers?
Staplers.
Okay.
Wear whatever will make people give you funny looks.
I did
yeah,
something
I
wrong.
mean, I don't know, I don't
Okay.
I think you've been.
I
Okay,
spread
guess-
untrue information.
Why
I
do
guess
you
that's
work?
some kind of a step up.
Why do you
Oh!
1400.
14? I'm going for 16.
Shirkon's been forced to study for it all summer.
Yeah.
What do you
And
need
it's
a
gonna be
1600
funny when he
for?
gets a
Oh,
negative
I'm trying
score.
to get a perfect.
It's like how I found out that, what was it? Who's the guy that made all this shit?
Dan Schneider.
He had a
Yeah.
fucking
Foot
fetish.
fetish.
and-
Guys, look,
Oh,
it's a
yeah,
cockademon. It's
What?
okay.